mic. No?
No, don't go, don't go, don't go. I was thinking we should do like a fun bet. We go.
What?
I was thinking that we should do like a fun bet.
Okay.
You and me. Like we go
Mm-hmm.
on all of our main charts,
Mm-hmm.
Bitcoin, Nasdaq, gold, and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and basically from the current standpoint, the current price of
Mm-hmm.
whatever it's at, we basically say up or down for Monday, just
Okay.
Monday,
Okay.
and whoever gets the most amount of answers correct uh, on the end of Monday. So when Monday hits midnight UTC time, okay.
Okay.
When that happens, whoever gets the most uh, correct
Right.
answers
Mm-hmm.
gets a challenge bought from the other person.
That's a good
It
idea.
it can just be a 5K or whatever from Maven. It's cheap, just for fun.
5K.
And
That
then
sounds.
we should probably just go all in on the challenge.
And risk everything.
Everything, everything,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe not everything, but like risk the daily drawdown or something like that.
Okay. Sounds good. Why not?
And do it
I'm
live.
in. I'm in. I'm in. Let me just position my take profit here, and then I'm ready to go to. I just have one long open from 90,180. That was my. It was a limit order I put in.
Let me just check if this is working correctly.
Mm-hmm. There we are. That we wanted to do. Okay, I'm just gonna put my telephone for
Okay.
charging. Just a second.
All right. And I have to switch here. Let's go trading view.
So I'm back. Oh, I wanted to ask you,
Hmm.
um, would you be on Monday okay if we chart New York together and
Sure.
make it a little bit
Tell me the time.
lesson? I'm here when you're here, man, because I'm okay with Monday.
I'm generally
Totally.
here after New York opens, like half
Mm-hmm.
hour after New York opens.
Mm-hmm. That's perfect because then I'm here. That would be 6:30 a.m. my time, and then I have time till 7:30 a.m. my time, like a full hour. I just then have to shortly make breakfast and stuff like that for my son.
Hmm.
And if it's raining or snowing, what it looks like it's gonna be, then I'm driving him usually to school because it's a 45 minutes walk, and he is not the best walker. He doesn't like to walk in the rain.
Have you noticed that
Mm.
the first time we did the all-time high? Are you looking at? Oh, I'm not streaming on Discord. Wait, sorry.
No, that's why
My
I have an eye
bad, my
on it.
bad, my
No,
bad,
my
my bad.
bad.
I was going to choose screen share. I don't want screen share.
I'm really fascinated by Yelena, how much she goes for these. Oh man, she's like all over the place
Yeah, I'm
with these
proud,
meme
bro.
queens.
My
Wow.
student doing nice.
Hmm. Yeah, wait till I come back. I just didn't have time.
Trade locker is going to be inaccessible tomorrow. Oh, okay, tomorrow makes no difference. Uh,
Yeah, Thanksgiving is coming in 2 weeks, so
I was
watch that as well.
yeah, yeah. I was going to
Hmm.
say, have you noticed how this TR lines up? The first all-time high to the time that we did that low on 48?
Mm-mm.
Did you see that? Did you notice that?
Mm-mm. No.
I just saw this yesterday. I'm gonna delete absolutely everything, bro. Everything that I have, gone, whatever. Because I
Uh,
need. We're price discovery. Almost everything makes no sense anymore. So,
can I ask you a question?
you can ask any question.
No, I'm not going to ask you the question which is on my mind. I have to ask you a question. No, I'm joking. Um, when you take your cursor and you open up, like you drive over your whole screen, and you activate all the points and you erase it, how is that functioning? Because every time I try to do that
Oh,
with the
you mean,
cursor,
wait, you're talking about when I deleted all of this?
yeah,
Let me just put Mia in the living room. Be right back.
okay. Mhm.
I'm back. What I do is, are you
Wait,
looking?
wait. I had to get a napkin. My nose is
You don't
running.
have to
Sorry.
run. Jesus, chill, bro.
No, no, I nearly fall, like I'm old. Again, okay?
Fuck, I was drinking. Um, can I? Are you
Yeah,
watching?
sure. Sorry. Yeah, yeah.
Basically, press Control, don't let go, and
Okay.
drag to make the selection, and then
Okay,
let
now I
go,
know.
and then you can press
Okay,
delete.
perfect. Thank you.
Pretty
I
simple, right?
tried it. I
Yeah.
know.
It functions as Windows basically. Um, so first of all, let's do like a quick run. First of
Mhm.
all, I'm gonna go on the 4 hour just for funsies. Um, for Monday, up or down?
I would say at the moment we are still in a bullish situation because we haven't broke the structure on the first move, so it would have to come down to 85
Okay.
something. Mm.
So Monday lower than this? Lower than where it's at now?
Boy, you are asking. You are mean.
No, no, no. Like whatever you say, I'm gonna say the. Well, that's
The
a.
opposite. Okay, what I see on 4 hours is we did
Yeah,
the
let's just do the four
SFP.
hour. Let's just do the 4 hour.
Exactly. At the moment, it looks like that we SFP'd the little order block there, what
We
we
did?
had
Yeah,
exactly.
we did. We did. We did.
So, like, and we haven't broke the structure to the down. So,
No.
so I'm still a little bit bullish. I would maybe scalp that. Oh, look at this. Look at the value high and value low.
I know.
That's perfect. So I would say if we dipped already 2 or 3 times in, and I would say we are still bullish.
That's
So
not
I
what I want to
think
know.
so I think we're gonna go on Monday higher than
Okay.
this price.
So I'm gonna put a line there. I'm just gonna call it bet.
But you have to put bet Igor there, so that you know that I betted it.
Oh yeah, let's do like this. White line.
Mm-hmm.
If you bet up, then your name is on top. So
Okay.
mine will be on the bottom.
Below.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And let's do this for all of them.
Okay.
So, now gold. Oof, Jesus.
Ooh, Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Holy freaking moly.
This is also done. I might as well delete. Actually, might as well delete everything. Fuck it. Monday, up or
Hmm.
down?
You asking me like this is can you do a value one for the whole region?
Can I do a value what?
You know, like a value, like a
A
range
volume
value,
profile?
volume profile for the
Okay.
whole region,
Uh,
like from where you started there, where you have the equal rows
oh, okay. But you want just the range, or you want from the low to the high?
from the low to the high.
Oh, look. The point of control is the
Mm-hmm.
same
Mm-hmm.
on both
Okay,
situations.
it's gonna be lower.
Alright.
Because he likes to come back to the point of control.
So I'm basically betting against you just for fun.
I know.
I also think it's going to go lower.
Yeah.
Naz,
Hmm. I
this
would
I think.
say.
Oh, wait. Big mistake.
Mhm.
This was on the weekly.
Okay. Ooh. I would
This is
say.
harder than gold, in
Oh
my
my
opinion.
God. Can you do a volume range here as well? Like from
From the low
the.
to the high?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. I would say lower too.
Okay. And S&P is almost the same.
Then I would say the same to SFP. Oh my gosh. They have like triple lows, equal lows. Oh my gosh. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Look at this.
Oh.
Look at
Hi.
this.
Oh.
Hey,
Hello!
Alexa.
Dober dan, došao si mi
Meni
zlato.
je veče, dobro veče.
Oh,
Dobre,
Jesus.
izvinjavam se.
How are you, brother?
Ooh,
Are you guys streaming?
can,
Because I saw that
I am
Andrew is gonna
streaming.
stream.
I am
Okay,
streaming, yeah.
can
just
you
one.
take
Are you
the
gonna be
value
online
rate?
later? Andy?
Okay.
What,
Can you
Alexa?
take the value?
What did he
Oh,
say?
sorry. He's gonna
Are you
be
gonna be
online
online?
later.
Are you gonna be
Uh,
online at you know when you said?
yeah, like 90% certainty, bro.
Okay, okay.
Only if, I don't know, something happens unexpected with the car or something. But I'm
Okay then.
gonna stop working at 11, yeah.
Okay, 11 your time, which is like 10 my time, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just find it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys, and it was nice talking to you, Igor. And
Hey, did you still? Did
It's
it?
like you guys traded like 5 words. Hey, it was nice talking to you. Bye.
Exactly. And we
okay,
said
I'm going
everything
out
in
with my
5 words.
girlfriend at the moment, but
Okay.
I'll be back exact time when Andre.
Hmm.
I need we need to do some business.
The
Yeah, bruh.
business.
Um,
Roger
yeah.
that.
So I see
Can
you
you
guys. Have a nice
see
one.
you later? Bye bye.
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 Yeah. So I'm still thinking, like we should maybe involve these triple lows, like just in the whole volume range, because that is a magnet to come down.
Wait. Ah, they also exist. Holy
Hmm.
shit.
I know,
Holy shit.
I know, I know. So there's a gap. There's two gaps actually. No, one gap, sorry.
That's a big one, bro.
Hmm.
That is
Like 2% or something like that.
one
No,
one one
1%. Mhm.
1%. But
And
that's a lot for a yes.
oh, I know. And it's the same timeline if you compare that gap to NVIDIA,
Nvidia.
for example. Yeah.
Let me check. Wait. That gap is from 16th of September.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh, you're on the 4 hours. Shoot. There is no gap then there.
uh
I had a
no,
gap on 120.
there's no gap on the same day.
Uh-huh.
At least on the same day. Oh, but Nvidia is so bullish, bro. Look at this.
I know, this is
Look at
brutal.
look at this. Look at
Yeah.
this.
SFP to like, yeah, the low and up. But
And
I
this is a
see,
breakaway gap too.
yeah. See,
And
I have to
oh,
go through
look at this. Wait, this is magic.
Yeah.
Look at this. You see the support?
Yeah.
Look how it did not break it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
See, I have to get into that with this again with the gaps. You know, like I watched the video 2 or 3 times,
It's
but
crazy.
I have so much
It's
questions still.
look. Ow! Oh my God! Look at that.
Yeah.
Look how it does not break it.
Mm-hmm.
Looks
But that's the
looks like a
17th.
cheat code. You know.
Man, that's the 17th of October, was it then, or September?
18 of September.
18th.
It's
Mm-hmm.
it's it's not the same day
Mm-hmm.
as the gap on Nasdaq. It's 2 days after.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
But that was not
and by the
mhm,
way,
here too. Mm-hmm. We just went a little
it
bit
it did
lower.
break it there. Yeah,
Yeah.
it did break it. But it looks very bullish, and
Yeah.
it's a red vector as well, and a pink.
Yeah. So the recovery is
Very
more certain.
likely.
Yeah.
Inverted gap here. Inverted gap here. Let me see the levels.
I love that levels part. That helps me so much.
We front ran the point of
Mm-hmm.
control. Maybe come here to this
Yeah.
area, this gap.
I'm still thinking 120 would be something as well, really realistic for it to come down, just to clean up the liquidity in between. And you would have like on 120 the new weekly VWAP.
Although I
Or is it
agree with that logic, I have a problem with it, which is it completely changes.
the structure, man?
Yeah, it no longer becomes because, for example, let me clean this up. Um, if maybe I have to use the weekly. Wait. Yeah, okay, this is nice. If I come here, I do a line here, you'll notice that keeping above this line is really important.
Mm-hmm.
Um, because if it comes to 120, let me see where. Although it still remains bullish on the weekly. Oh,
And
look at that.
120 is yeah, point of control is just below it.
But this is the expansion.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just the daily. Oops, caps. Well, it is a weekly order block. I would not rule that out. Yeah, okay.
It's just a possibility. I'm not ruling out anything on
Yeah.
Nvidia because, like you said, it is just like and the
Like
numbers are coming in.
it does change structure, but it still remains bullish on the weekly.
Yeah.
Do you have a gap there? Just I don't know. I just would not like to see. Oh, there is one. I was going to
Mm-hmm.
I was going to say that I would not want to see a gap being retested, but we have an untested one here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, okay, I agree with you then.
It's just a possibility, like
Yeah,
especially
but it's a
with
nice
the numbers.
possibility,
Yeah.
and
They just push down.
it's nice because you have very well defined stop losses here. Either you buy here and put the stop loss down there, which obviously
Mm-hmm.
is ginormous, but
Yeah.
it's one of those things like if you do see a nice reaction or even a 4-hour candle closing bullishly, then you
Mm-hmm.
have a nearly defined stop loss, and it becomes easy to invest here.
Hmm.
This is also a gap. Let me mark that out. But the thing is that even from the standpoint or the perspective of two trades, if you take a trade here, stop loss down there, and you get an L, then it's obviously
That we're gonna go down here
to
Yeah.
this guy.
Mhm.
And so the advantage of this is the risk reward, right? Because
Yeah.
obviously if it comes down here, the target is going to be this, because
Yeah.
these are equal highs over here. I'm looking at
Yeah.
the daily, don't forget.
Mhm.
And there's we just created a gap. It's not filled. So even having two trades like this and targeting that gap, or
One. Mhm.
oh, by the way, you want to know how I do this? Copy, same
Oh,
logic.
good. Mhm.
Control, drag,
Mhm.
and it starts moving around, right? But
Mhm.
for it to stay at the same place, you press shift at the same time. So I still
Mhm.
have control, and now I'm gonna press shift, and look,
Oh, okay.
it like lines up. But that was just to explain, because I don't want it there, right? I want it
Yeah.
here. So goes there. Both of these are amazing trades.
Mhm.
Might as well just post this.
Yeah.
Where's my channel? What the hell?
I don't know.
Oh, I got it.
You're recording now, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and I went into Palantir too. Like, like I read so much about that stock. It's like crazy, man.
About what?
Palantir. Palantir,
How do
like
I
that
spell
stock.
it?
PLTR, you have it here already on the site.
Palantir. I don't know this one.
Mhm.
What
No,
what is it?
Palantir is a software developer who
Dude,
worked with
what the fuck?
NSA.
Did they found the
Yeah,
cure for cancer or what?
no, they're NSA, man, FBI, CIA. They do the software since the 60s. All the analytic softwares for the government, for the American. They just came out in, I don't know, 2020 or
Igor, look
something
at
like
this.
that.
Look at this.
Uh-huh.
You see that little guy over there?
Yeah,
Come on.
yeah. Like
It's
on the
where
top.
it's the same gap.
Yeah,
A gap over a gap.
yeah. That one is exploding and it's gonna get even higher because they are gonna offer analytic software for AI and any kind of information comes in video cameras for streets,
To be
surveillance
honest, I
stuff.
don't even know what to think about these gaps, man.
Yeah.
One thing is for sure, whenever it comes down, this will be support.
Yeah. And that's when I want to rebuy it as well.
Actually, the gaps are very well placed as an investment.
Yeah.
Any of these gaps are amazing investments because they have order blocks and ranges before them.
Yeah.
Look, this is a
Wow.
long ass range,
Yes.
and you have the gap there.
Yeah. And I missed that entrance.
Oh, I think it just touched it.
Yeah.
No.
No.
What a bitch. I was checking if I have ADJ on. Yeah, but it's on. These gaps are amazing buying points. Even this one that I did not mark, but I'm gonna mark now. Even this one, it's
Wow.
where the
Look at
gap
that.
is and the
Yeah.
point of control.
Wow. Value high and point of control. Wow.
I'm gonna call this historical gap because I think it's gonna matter. Crazy. It just has one problem, right? Which is like buying
It's
now.
bullish. It's crazy. I know. No,
Yeah,
no, no, no.
too crazy.
I went in when it was 30, 38, like at that little support range what
38,
you have. Yeah,
dude.
right there. Yeah,
Whenever
I
you
went
have
in.
a red daily candle, sell. Really? Like what the hell?
No, that's a long investment. Like I put that on my portfolio for stocks.
Yeah, but I would sell whenever it has a daily engulfing one.
Okay.
Not candles like this.
Hmm.
You see candles like this, they can be retests. But if you have a red candle like this, I would wait for the next New York session for a bounce or something like that and sell. And then wait
Okay.
for another.
Rebuy down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Like, does it even make sense to go that far down? This looks like one of those altcoins just launched on Binance, bro.
Yeah, a year ago.
What the hell?
Yeah, I know. Look when they started coming public in 2020, and this company
September.
exists since 1960 or 1965.
Crazy.
Mm,
Another interesting thing is that when it started, which means when this was listed on the New York Stock Exchange,
hmm
that's where you have a gap. Like
Just a,
when it bounced, when it crashed,
hmm
it jumped over the gap,
Wow.
and this was resistance for like 4 weeks, maybe more. This was an amazing buy. What the hell? Whoever knew about this at the time, Jesus. And even from a technical standpoint, this is a nice chart because look, this is a weekly level. Look how many times it tested that weekly level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. It's crazy. Huh?
Yeah, it's a good chart. Like
Mm,
technically a good chart. Uh, I would I would never want
just
to see it come back
under 21
under
or under
this area, which is
yeah 21. Look at this point of control
24,
24,
27, 24.
and
That's
then
where it
value
should
low.
stay above.
hmm What's the value low here?
The value low of that range is 21.
21. Yeah, that was my border, like for these gaps then,
Dude, but
like
I
for
don't
these
know.
short.
Does it even make sense to come back down?
No, not if it's like that. But
It it,
if you
it
look at,
reminds me of Bitcoin on the CME on the weekly. Like this push
yeah,
makes no sense to ever come back down to lower ranges. You
yeah,
know, after that
below
it's done.
44, yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
done. This move up, speaking of Bitcoin, this move up scares me because we have so many gaps, including CME gaps to fill.
it's crazy, I
There's so
know.
many things. Even on what 53? I think it was 53 or whatever.
It's the lowest, I know.
Where is it? This one.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Hard to see, yeah.
This is crazy, man. And it has nothing below.
Yeah,
You know, it has nothing to support it. Because it tested this area and then created that gap. That is so scary to have that open still. Like, will that forever be open? That would be a first. No. That would be a second. Because we have another one like that
At
here.
30 something. Yeah.
No. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, we have
No,
one
no, no.
here.
You're right. 28 or something like that it was.
From
I just
28 to 29. Are we gonna leave that forever? Because, you know, these are the only two exceptions. We have only two gaps that have never been filled like that. We have nothing. Even this one, look.
got filled.
Perfect.
Mm.
This was perfect. But now we have this. 77.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to see that one being tested, at least. There's let me see the weekly. Let's mark out weekly levels. We have the oldest one. And this is not naked. This is not like the older one.
Mm-hmm.
Even this one, it's not. I am marking out when the day ended or the week, because for example this one, obviously the line would be a little higher, but I think this one matters more because this is when it starts, and when it starts a lot of times it creates a gap, right? But what matters is what happens next. And so even this one was tested as resistance. This might be a good support resistance level. Don't I have a template for that? Nope. Okay, let me SR. So this is a support resistance zone. The value area high of the whole range
is in the middle of it.
Oh, I like that line.
Holy shit.
I like that line. Couldn't be more perfect. So coming down for the gap would be nice. This is a breakaway gap as well. Let's not forget, like, it does not have to come back to the point of control of this range. I would argue that it doesn't even make sense to come back for the point of control of the range. This is a really nice push. Look at this. Taking out those lows.
And then go.
That's a sexy order block.
This and it's not mitigated.
Yeah, this one not so much.
No, there's liquidity still there.
That seems like a nice trap. Even though it is where the point of control is, it seems like a nice trap. Like everyone thinking, oh, I'm gonna buy there because, you know, point of control and stuff, and then just liquidate them, take those lows out, and use this block to bounce for real, and maybe forever to get to 100k. But we're so close to 100k.
This is crazy.
And this is the CME, mind you. So this level, for example, this high, the all-time high of the CME is 94. Which, by the way, okay. It's not. I was gonna say that. Oh wait,
It would.
could it be? It's a little bit more like this. Yeah, not as perfect. Did we do a Fibonacci extension? Oh, I don't have my old. I don't have my old numbers. I don't remember. To see the Elliott wave series. But this really looks like a third wave. So maybe, judging from this, for example, your bet might be right, like to get to 95 on CME, and then maybe start ranging and coming down. If we come down, let me check from here. Actually, I don't know if I should check from here or from here, but let's do from this one. Where's the sixth one? The 236, 0.236 and 0.382. I think the fourth wave is 236 or 382. I'm not sure. If it's 382 and this pull is correct, then it comes to the gap.
Ooh.
You see, 80k.
Yeah.
If the pull, I think it should be like this. Even if we do it like this, then we get the 618 and 0.5. So it's a good. The 618 is so well placed. Hori's favorite level 702 is on the weekly level. How perfect is that? Like a difference of $120.
Yeah. Crazy.
I'm gonna keep this one just in respect
Hori.
to Hori. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like these fibs. I'm gonna make a post just saying I like these fibs. Marking out Bitcoin.
Who the heck is calling me? Just a second. Sorry, I just have to send the text. I'm on
No
the
problem.
headphones. I'm just gonna put the mic a little bit up.
They crushed my dreams here, bro.
Why? What happened?
I was in this long position.
Oh, that's for the USD and Japanese.
Look
yeah.
how far it went, bro.
Yeah, I know.
And then
pooped up.
Yeah, man. And now I think this might be an amazing short to target this, because this was a news day. This was one of those news candles, and I think they're gonna take it down. The only problem is, from where should I short? And the obvious place looks like this. But as you can see, dollar yen a lot of times doesn't really give a fuck about retraces. Just crashes or just pumps. But we have liquidity over here. Nicely stacked. This is a decent block. Let me check the levels. Oh, view up down there. we have done? Building permits.
Sorry, I
It's
just have
okay.
to coordinate my workers.
I'm thinking that we have two possibilities,
Mm-hmm.
and they're both really juicy.
Oh yeah.
Because one is to get down there, and this is a 7. Even using a 4-hour chart, this is a 7-hour. And the other obvious situation is this high volume node, point of control, order block that we just reacted to, but we front ran the point of control. Let me see. Let me see it here. I have to invert it. So this is what I was looking at, and this is the expansion. Yeah, we front ran both on CFDs and CME. So what I'm thinking is either a short after recovering this vector or after touching this point of control again, like here. Or another day where we have a slight move down,
Mm-hmm.
come down, to this point of control and bounce. These lows are not terrible. Look at the gaps. The gaps are so crazy, bro. Look at this.
I know. I know.
Over and over again. Yeah, that's it. I think that's a good one. So either the long or the short from... Sorry, this is inverted, right? Exactly. Either the long from here, and if that doesn't work, the short.
Mm-hmm.
The short can be from this line or from the block. So next Monday, this is a really interesting chart to put some money on.
Mm-hmm.
Are you using anything that trades forex?
Not at the moment.
You should,
I
bro.
mean,
Dollar yen
I
is really easy, man.
I know.
My first payout was with this, man.
Okay.
You remember the first trade that I took on the funded account? That was like what, 240 already, and I was like posting like I'm not gonna close. That gave me almost 300 bucks, man. And it was crazy because it was a trade that I opened like, this seems like a nice 15-minute order block. I'm gonna place a limit there and bye bye.
Good.
Just went. Like that's the
Yeah.
thing about this chart, man. When it retraces,
Mm-hmm.
it's easy to read. Or better yet, all charts are easy to read, but not all of them respect blocks and liquidity grabs like we're used to. or like we
Mhm.
want to see, right? This one does. This is nice. This one is like, for example, this is really classic of this chart. Oh, we took the low. We created an order block. Oh, look, how interesting. Yeah, perfect buy. You know?
Mhm.
Even this one was basically something like this, but I just used a 1 minute order block there. So even this area where we are now as a buy, it's a decent buy. What the hell am I doing? Even this is a decent buy because my target, for context, the target of this 26R trade was this because it's so obvious, right? This is so incredibly obvious. Red vector at the top, equal highs. We're looking at the daily chart, keep in mind.
Mhm.
Looks so obvious. Maybe because it's so obvious, it's gonna fuck me up. Because probably everyone is thinking the same thing. But even if it starts dumping, then this becomes a target, which will bring price down to this ginormous area. Ah, shit, I have to go. 5:30.
Yes, you do. That was great, man, and I'm looking forward for Monday to continue.
Yeah, let's see how our
And
bets go.
I let us see. Sounds interesting.
We have to do this every week, man. And even if we, for example, I have to start using the affiliate commissions, you know,
Okay.
do some
Mhm.
use for them. We have to buy you an account, but we'll do that when you're ready, when you're more available.
Hey, we do that on Monday if you want.
Sure.
Like, or even tomorrow if you're around. Tomorrow I'm easy too at
Tomorrow
home
I'm not sure. I
because it's Sunday. It's a family day.
not just that. I have some personal things to take care. I have to try and go to the gym, and because I slacked off these last three or 4 days, 3 days. Um, and and the thing about Sunday is that my window is a little bit more limited. But on Monday I'm
Hmm.
home, so let's do
Oh,
it on Monday.
perfect. Yeah, for me too. Like
Yeah.
on. Oh shoot! I have to go working on Monday. Poop! They just texted me
Will you
that
be here for New York Open?
I will.
Okay,
Uh, yeah,
then it's a date. We'll do it at New York Open.
yeah. I have then a half an hour if this is okay for you.
Sure. Yeah.
No,
But
perfect.
we'll talk in
Then I
DMs.
can.
Set the hour straight.
Yeah.
All right. See you. See you.
Gosh.
See you later. Later. I was gonna say tomorrow. I don't know. No, probably tomorrow because when I'm here with Alexa, you'll probably sleeping.
Hey, I might gonna be awake. Like because I have a little bit sleeping disorder at the moment.
Ah, that's
So
not good.
I know I got so used to staying up. Like with my friend from Germany. So like so
All
it
right.
was like
All right. I'll see
the
you
old
around then,
man.
brother.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Stay cool.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. You too. Stay safe and good luck with
I will.
working.
I drive safe. Don't worry. I drive safe.
I
Bye
know.
bye.
Bye bye.